Welcome back to another video. Today is all about PancakeSwap. I kind of ignored them, because I thought I can't invest in a project that includes a pancake and a bunny. I guess I was wrong about this since they became a real powerhouse. They offer amazing APYs and many pools where you can stake your crypto. Today I would like to show you what you can earn with Cake, as well as how to connect your Trustwallet. Let's get into it. Once you are on their website, you can choose between farms and pools. When you decide to do farming, you add liquidity to a pool. I know some of the APYs look insane, but from my understanding, the risk is higher than simply staking your crypto. The reason being is that when you add liquidity, and the price gap between the pair gets too big, you might end up losing money. That's why I prefer to only stake my crypto. The multiplier represents the amount of Cake rewards each farm gets. Let's head over to staking. This is where I put my funds. You pick between auto and manual staking. With auto, you immediately reinvest your Cake earnings. This way you benefit from compound effect, and as you can see, your APY is much higher this way. Besides earning Cake, you can also earn a variety of other cryptocurrencies. That's what I like about Cake. You have so many options, giving the token a lot of utility. If you find a good project, from which you want more tokens, you can stake Cake to do so. I want to earn more Cake since I don't know most of the other coins here. For me, increasing my Cake holdings with an APY of almost 140% is the best deal. In order to stake on Pancake, you have to connect your wallet. You've got a few options. I recommend MetaMask or Trustwallet. Today I will be using the Trustwallet. It is available for iOS and Android. And it is a really great wallet. Very user-friendly and easy to use. On top of that, you can connect to the Binance Smart Chain. Compared to Ethereum, the fees are super low. Let's jump over to my phone. After you have sent your Cake tokens to your wallet, the first thing you need to do is put them on the Binance Smart Chain. This will cost you a few bucks, so have some BNB in your wallet as well. Once you have completed the transaction, the next thing you want to do is search for PancakeSwap under dApps. Then you can connect your wallet with a single click of a button. Select auto compounding and the amount of Cake we would like to stake. Again, the yield is amazing, and given the high utility of the Pancake token, I guess the price will remain high. Alright, let's go for the maximum and stake our tokens. Hit confirm and we are set. Now all we have to do is wait, and watch our Pancake holdings grow. As long as the price stays stable, it's a great investment. Let's check after a few days how many Cake we've already earned. We've earned a little over 1 Cake. Not too bad for basically doing nothing. This is another great passive income stream that you can build up to increase your monthly income. That was our little tutorial on how to use PancakeSwap. If you haven't downloaded the Trust Wallet yet, definitely give it a try. It's a fantastic wallet to have on your phone. Let us know in the comments what your thoughts are on PancakeSwap. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. We hope to see you in the next one.